Join me today as I create a room called On a Snowy Afternoon while I dream about this. So this is a continuation of the dining room, which I promised you a few weeks ago that I was going to be finishing up on a snowy afternoon. I'm putting up 2 9-foot pencil trees on each side of the bay window right here, and there it is lit. Next, I'm going to use my hammer and brad nails, and I'm going to be putting tiny nails around the outside of the window frame. Now, not in the front, but on the side where you don't see them. Then I'm going to use floral wire to install chicken wire, and on the chicken wire, I'm going to be using branches that I gathered in the yard and I spray painted white because I want it to look kind of like you're looking through the tree branches and you're going to be seeing, this scene in the distance through the tree branches. It's something that I used to do a long time ago, and I'm recreating it now. And just like that, the lights are in the branches. Yeah, right, just like that. That took forever. That took about, I want to say, I want to say almost 3 hours to do that. There's only, let me see, I think there's 400 lights in there, but that was a pain. Anybody who deals, if you deal with branches like that, it's a pain. But usually people don't do it in their house, they do it outside. But you know me, I'm cuckoo, so I did it in the house. But MaryAnn loves this, and I think she's going to love it. This is something I used to do when I was a kid, and she fell in love when she saw it, but I was never really able to do it here, but I'm doing it. So next in will be some icicles. So now that the lights are on, I'm going to put these icicles on, and they're about 12 inches long, and I'm putting them close to the branch so that it looks like they're formed from the branch. To coordinate with the snowflakes that I have on the chandelier, I am going to use these crystal snowflakes. So I wanted to look like there's fresh fallen snow on the trees. So instead of flocking, what I did was I used buffalo snow and I applied it to the branches in clumps the way it would look like if it really fell on a fir tree. Next, I'm using these large snowflakes to embed in the tree, and I randomly put them not in, but sticking in, within, and on the outside of the tree. I'm using 6 in each one of these trees and mirroring them both. Next on is clear icicles. Next, crystal beads with crystals on the bottom to pick up an icy look. I use books to create different levels for all the houses to sit on. Next, I move this buffet in place, and I'm going to extend the village all the way out onto this piece of furniture. The snow blanket goes down, and the lights get laid on the top so I can see how I'm going to arrange the houses. Next, I begin laying the houses out to see where they should go. Okay, so the next thing I did then is I put the lights into all the houses, and you see there's other lights out there, and what I'll do is I'll put buffalo snow on there and it will cover them up. So I have the village pretty much in shape. I only used not even half of my houses. There's a small portion of them, but it's enough for here. It's enough. It's enough. And so now next will be the buffalo snow, and then no. Next will be the trees. I'm going to put the trees in, and that's what brings it to life. So I got out my bins of trees. I have a lot of trees, and I start putting them in and landscaping the area so that it looks kind of like an alpine village or a village up in the mountains, or some fantasy land that I've possibly seen in real life or most likely seen in a movie. And you can see how much the trees really bring the whole thing to life. Okay, so let's take a look at it on a snowy afternoon. I'm going to give you a close-up of the village right now, and then I'm going to pull back and wait until you see the whole scene. I think it's pretty neat looking. I hope you like it too. Thanks so much for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed my room called On a Snowy Afternoon. Please subscribe if you just stumbled on me. Thumbs up always helps. Drop me a comment. Look for me on Facebook at Life with MaryAnn and Joe and on Instagram at designs by _Joe. Okay.